English sentences for daily conversation.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
How's it going? What's for dinner? What's happening this weekend? Do you have any plans for today? Are you busy or are you free to chat?
How is it going?
Bagaimana itu terjadi?
What's for dinner?
Apa menu makan malam ini?
What's happening this weekend?
Apa yang terjadi akhir pekan ini?
Where are my keys? What are you getting up to this weekend? Are you keen to get together on Saturday? You're joking? Have you got much going on these days? Where are my keys? What are you getting up to this weekend? Are you keen to get together on Saturday? You're joking? Have you got much going on these days? How's your work day looking? Should we grab a bite to eat? Would you like to grab a coffee this afternoon? Would you mind helping me quickly? What are you up to? How's your work day looking? Should we grab a bite to eat? Would you like to grab a coffee this afternoon? Would you mind helping me quickly? What are you up to?
Good morning.
Selamat pagi.
Good afternoon.
Selamat siang.
Could you give me a lift? Can I help you with anything? What time are you getting home today? Should we eat out tonight? How does pizza sound? Could you give me a lift? Can I help you with anything? What time are you getting home today? Should we eat out tonight? How does pizza sound?
I will catch you soon. Please give me your hand. Get out of my sight. I did not understand. What do you mean? I will catch you soon. Please give me your hand. Get out of my sight. I did not understand. What do you mean?
Good evening.
Selamat sore.
Good night.
Selamat malam.
Welcome.
Selamat datang.
Let's start our lesson today.
Ayo kita mulai pelajaran hari ini.
Have you prayed before starting?
Sudahkah kamu berdoa sebelum mulai?
What do you do after school?
Apa yang kamu lakukan sepulang sekolah?
Do you like writing story? I like reading and writing story.
Apakah kamu suka menulis cerita? Saya suka membaca dan menulis cerita.
Where will you go on holiday?
Kamu liburan pergi kemana?
What's your favorite drink?
Apa minuman kesukaanmu?
I like avocado and mango juice.
Saya suka alpukat dan jus mangga.
What's your favorite food?
Apa makanan kesukaanmu?
I like noodle. Saya suka makan mie. I like gado-gado. Saya suka makan gado-gado. I like fried chicken. Saya suka ayam goreng. My favorite color is blue.
Warna kesukaan saya itu biru.
My favorite color is black.
Hitam adalah warna kesukaanku.
Let's do sport.
Ayo kita olahraga.
Sport can make our body health.
Dengan berolahraga, badan jadi sehat.
Swimming is fun.
Berenang itu menyenangkan.
When will you go home?
Kapan kamu pulang?
I like the way you speak.
Saya suka caramu berbicara.
I like the way you eat.
Saya suka caramu makan.
Be careful.
Hati-hati ya.
Slow down.
Santai saja.
Don't be late.
Jangan telat ya.
Have a nice breakfast.
Selamat menikmati sarapan.
Have a nice holiday.
Selamat berlibur.
Don't say it.
Jangan katakan itu.
Don't be quiet.
Jangan diam saja ya.
Will you help me?
Maukah kau menolongku?
Say what do you want to say?
Katakan apa yang kamu mau katakan.
Think before you act.
Berpikirlah sebelum bertindak.
Turn left, please.
Belok kiri ya.
Turn right, please.
Belok kanan ya.
Turn on the lamp, please.
Tolong nyalakan lampunya ya.
Turn off the lamp, please.
Tolong padamkan lampunya ya.
I am sorry I was wrong.
Maaf, saya salah.
How to get the bus station?
Bagaimana supaya bisa ke terminal bus?
I will help you soon.
Saya akan menolongmu segera.
Please pray for me.
Tolong doakan saya ya.
Can you solve this problem?
Bisakah kamu menyelesaikan masalah ini?
I learned it from my mother.
Saya belajar dari ibu saya.
I learned this way from my father.
Saya belajar cara ini dari ayah saya.
Be patient.
Bersabarlah.
Keep clean, please.
Jagalah kebersihan.
Open the door, please.
Tolong buka pintunya ya.
Close the door, please.
Tutup pintunya ya.
Do you want to read this book?
Apakah kamu mau baca buku ini?
Do you want to cook this fish?
Maukah kamu masak ikan ini?
Do you want to speak with my father?
Maukah kamu bicara dengan bapak saya?
Don't say loudly.
Jangan teriak.
Step carefully.
Hati-hati melangkah.
Please play with me.
Ayo main denganku.
I have new toys.
Saya punya mainan baru.
I got this toys from my father.
Saya dapat mainan ini dari ayah saya.
Do you like ice cream?
Apakah kamu suka es krim?
Which one of ice cream do you like?
Es krim apa yang kamu suka?
I like strawberry.
Saya suka strawberry.
I also like banana.
Saya juga suka pisang.
When will you have holiday?
Kapan kamu liburan?
It is usually on Ramadan.
Biasanya bulan Ramadan.
Will you fast on Ramadan?
Akankah kamu puasa di bulan Ramadan?
Yes, of course, because it can. Increase our iman.
Tentu saja karena dengan puasa bisa meningkatkan keimanan.
Have you tried this cake?
Sudahkah kamu coba kue ini?
Have you prayed Shuba?
Sudahkah kamu sholat subuh?
I hope I go to Mecca again.
Saya harap saya pergi ke Mekkah.
My dream is going to Mecca with my big family. I love my parents.
Saya sayang orang tua saya.
Don't eat too much.
Jangan makan kekenyangan.
Pray before you eat.
Berdoalah sebelum kamu makan.
Pray after you eat.
Berdoalah setelah kamu makan.
Clean is good.
Bersih itu baik.
Practice makes you perfect.
Latihan membuatmu menjadi ahli.
Where do you live?
Di mana kamu tinggal?
Where do you come from?
Kamu berasal dari manakah?
What is your phone number?
Berapa nomor telepon kamu?
Do you allow cookie? Do you allow cookie? Do you allow cookie? Do you allow cookie?
Apakah kamu suka masak?
What time will you go?
Kapan kamu akan pergi?
I like cooking very much. I usually cook fish and meat.
Saya suka sekali masak. Saya suka masak ikan dan daging.
Will you come to John's house?
Akankah kamu datang ke rumah John?
My favorite fruit is durian.
Buah kesukaan saya adalah durian.
Can you speak Arabic?
Bisakah kamu berbicara bahasa Arab?
Yes, I can speak Arabic.
Iya, saya bisa berbicara bahasa Arab.
Have you gone to Australia?
Pernahkah kamu ke Australia?
Sleep soon because you must pray Shubu.
Segeralah tidur karena kamu harus sholat subuh.
Let's go to the mosque.
Ayo kita ke masjid.
If you have a dream, try to reach it by pray and action.
Jika kamu punya mimpi, gapailah dengan doa dan usaha.
My daughter likes planting.
Putriku suka bercocok tanam.
My daughter likes painting.
Putriku suka melukis.
Will you sell this house?
Akankah kamu jual rumah ini?
I am happy if my parents are happy. Saya senang jika orang tua saya senang. I am happy if my children are happy.
Saya senang jika anak-anak saya senang.
What are you doing? Kamu sedang apa? Do you like sport? Apakah kamu suka olahraga? I like running. Saya suka berlari. What's your favorite food? Apa makanan kesukaanmu? You look so beautiful today. See you next time. Please share and subscribe this.
Alhamdulillah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullah.
Thank you.